Hey guys, so today I'll be making barbecue glazed spatchcock chicken using our county fair riverside whole bird, and I'll be serving it with a crunchy slaw and garlic naan. Spatchcock is really simple. All you need to do is remove the giblets from the bird, place it breast side down, and then using kitchen scissors, remove the backbone. You'll flip it over and then using the palm of your hand, press down on the breast to flatten it. What this does is it creates a larger surface area, allowing your chicken to cook faster and to cook evenly. And now you've just got to season with some salt and pepper, and we'll set it aside while we make our homemade barbecue sauce. Now everyone loves a good homemade barbecue sauce, especially one that is super simple to make, like this one, because all you do is you place all the ingredients into one pot, allow it to simmer for 10 minutes, and then you're good to go. These are all regular ingredients that you'll find in your pantry. So I've got some light and dark brown sugar, white vinegar, tomato sauce, mustard, garlic, paprika, and some Worcester sauce. Now I'm only using a third of my barbecue sauce mixture because we're going to pop it in the oven for 20 minutes, then remove it and baste the other side. Oh, look at how beautiful this is. So we're going to flip it over now, but remember to always use tongs and not a fork, because a fork is going to pierce the meat and those juices are going to run out, and we're going to keep all those juices inside. Make sure to coat evenly with your barbecue sauce and to leave some for that final glaze. We're going to pop this into the oven for another 20 minutes. So for that final glaze, you're going to flip the chicken over breast side up and then use the last of your marinade, but on the end, you're just going to drizzle over some melted butter and lemon juice for that extra zing. Once the chicken's in for the final glaze, it is now time for you to make your coleslaw and toast your garlic naans. The slaw I'm keeping super simple with some red cabbage, apple, spring onion, and radish. So my trick for a great slaw is to use half mayo and half sour cream, but you can of course use yogurt if you like, and definitely add in a squeeze of lemon. So our chicken is beautifully glazed and golden. Now to test the doneness of the chicken, if you insert a skewer, the juices out of it should run clear, but you can lift up the joints and they should wiggle very easily. And remember to use those pan juices that have accumulated at the bottom of your roasting tray and just drizzle them over. And then of course, to mop up all that delicious sauce, you'll need some crusty bread, or in my case, I've just used some toasted garlic naan, and then our beautiful coleslaw which we've made. To garnish, I'm simply using some pea shoots, but you could use what you want. Now you've just got to dig in and enjoy.